rain. It's Saturday, one. And my friend's in the kitchen making me breakfast. In case. Those are all of the, I think that's enough to consider me a sailor. I think that's enough to consider me a sailor. So I absolutely can't travel anywhere without my essential oils, and in case I have another one. Normally I pack it in my carry-on, but today I want to share with you an essential oil that you cannot live without, especially during these summer months. Now, I live in a beautiful, beautiful home in Miami. The annoying mosquitoes. Now, I don't like to swat them and hit them and whatever because, you know, I like to be kind to everything. But sometimes they just get on my nerves. We incorporate a blend called TerraShield. TerraShield is a proprietary blend by doTERRA that has a combination of lemon, eucalyptus, citronella, lemongrass, essential oils. Now, I have to bathe in this stuff because I love being outside. And actually, I'm pretty lucky that I'm not getting bit right now because of this amazing oil. So let me just put on a little bit more. I like to take this oil and put it right on. I encourage you to dilute it with a little bit of fractionated coconut oil before you put it on children, before you put it on yourself. It is a very strong oil, 10 to 15 drops of essential oil TerraShield in a spray bottle of some water and a teaspoon of vodka. That's my secret. Shh, don't tell anybody. Because vodka is a food grade type of alcohol and you only need a little bit. Add that to the spray bottle, spray it all over yourself pretty frequently throughout the day if you've got some sweet blood like I do. And confident that the bugs will probably stay away from you. And I think it's because you kind of smell like a lemongrass plant. You smell like nature. You like blend right into nature. Just gotta blend in. So that is my health hack for today. Anything we put on our skin is absorbed into our body's system within 30 seconds. So you want to take care of what you put on your skin. Okay, your skin is the largest organ of the entire body and it absorbs everything.